If I wanna make a heart with a paper, it's very simple and easy to it. At first, you have need to a scissors. This is with scissors. Just don't give the scissors to children, and this is very harmful because it's very sharp. Make sure if you give to children, you can use a plastic scissors, which is safe for children. You just see that it's very sharp. Okay, this is stainless, and you have need to a paper, and it's very easy to cut on a heart shape. It's a very uh, easy. Just heart shape. Need to fold this and just mark the portion, I guess, and mark with it in my finger, and it will just some time and it will make a mark, and after that we just cut. Cartoon only. And finish in the corner. Finish the corner. And you give a heart shape. You can use this heart shape for various type of purpose. Okay.